This is two miniature hives. This side here is the Russian hive. This side over here is they're both Russians. This is an internal Russian. These are what I have and I want stock off of. And you can see down in here, they're drawing comb already.
So there's two hives in one.
Yeah. Side, I haven't looked at it yet, but it looks like queen looks like there was a supersedure cell in here, which is bizarre.
What did you just say?
What?
Oh.
Supersedure?
What's that?
It's like we're replacing the queen type cell.
Ooh, drama. Tell me what's going on.
This hive is in the process of making another queen, despite this queen seemingly doing a good job. And I suspect that might be because of how few bees there were in here, that they think that she's just not doing a good enough job. So I kind of wonder, do we want to take this time and try to make another hive? Or that's what I'm trying to figure out, because there's just so few bees in here. I knew I needed to boost this side with a frame of capped brood so they can build the population up, but now they've got a queen cell getting formed up here, and that's a concern to me. If we can find some resources from below to move up in here to kind of boost these up. Okay, so this side over here is pretty weak. There's not very many bees in there, and I'd like to give them a boost. This frame here has got a lot of bees on it that are just about ready to emerge, which is really going to help out that colony. What I could do, what I'm going to do, is I'm going to shake these bees off and put them in. Resources from this big main hive in the bottom, seeing that this top was turned into a two nuke mating box. I took a frame of capped brood from this bigger colony and I donated it to this colony that had a very small population, and now they're making a replacement queen for an unknown reason. What I need to do now is figure out if I should add some more bees to this side and try to steal that queen cell since it's so far in development, or if I just let it go. That's to be determined today.